Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host, Shazib, signing in. Why LCX will survive the FUD and go on to become a crypto giant in the long term, in the future. So, we're going to explore this question in this video, so stay tuned and watch till the end. For those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins, ISO20022 compliant coins, as well as the coins that have the potential to become ISO20022 compliant, as well as other interesting coins as well. So make sure to subscribe for regular videos if you're interested. So anyways, let us begin with the price of LCX. So right around this time, it is priced at around 0.04003, one LCX. And if we look at the yearly chart, we can see LCX had a massive rally. It did almost a 10x or 7x or something like that. It went all the way to 0.1465 from 0.03148 back in January of 2023. Since that time, it has dipped back down and it's back to the finding the levels where it began its rally. So we can see that it might find a support over here as well. So this might be a good entry point, but not financial advice whatsoever. But if we look at the long-term chart, we can see that LCX went from 0 point, I think 3 zeros, 1293 all the way to 0.10. It is almost 1000x. So guys, the LCX has already given massive returns, but still it is only a meager $30 million market cap at the moment with 81.22% circulating supply and 950 million total max supply and total supply. So this is a coin that has the potential to reach billions of dollars of market cap. We're going to learn that in this video. You guys might be well acquainted with LCX, but if you guys do not know it, I'm going to tell you in a nutshell. LCX is not only an exchange. Some people think it's merely an exchange. It is an entire ecosystem. Digital asset revolution. Yes, we can call it a digital asset revolution because it is an exchange, a regulatory a regulation. It is a compliant exchange. It is well regulated, and it is working on tokenization. It has its own launchpad. It has its own earning mechanisms. It has got its own products. LCS protocol, LCS assets, LCX Oracle. So it is working on a lot of sectors in crypto. So let us just skim through the website and then we're going to answer the question why LCX will survive this FUD and go on to become a crypto giant. We're going to check that out, so stay tuned. Next generation cryptocurrency exchange. The LCX is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. Next generation digital asset exchange. What differentiates LCX from other exchanges? Basically, it is compliant and regulated. LCX secured approvals of 9 blockchain registrations with the registration number NR288159, allowing LCX to offer the broadest scope of blockchain services alongside our sophisticated crypto compliance suite. LCX Exchange is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange for trading digital currencies and conducting token sales the legal way. This is the keyword, the legal way, because a lot of cryptos, I think, won't survive when regulations take place, when scrutiny takes place, and the governments get involved. So LCX is one of those that is uh, consolidating and entrenching its roots deep into the compliance and regulatory mechanism and structure. LCX Exchange is a new trading venue to discover and buy the new and vetted crypto coins. Earn 7% fixed yield. LCX products. These are the LCX products, LCX Exchange, DEX aggregator, the most powerful DEX aggregator in the market, basic swap, pro swap, limit orders, DeFi data across all major decentralized exchanges, token sale platform for compliant token sales, initial coin offerings, get access to new tokens first, join private or public sales. So you're going to get an opportunity to get in new token sales and new tokens from this platform. Liechtenstein protocol. The Liechtenstein protocol is interoperable blockchain standard enabling tokenization and security token offerings. So tokenization would be a huge narrative going forward in crypto and in finance in general. Basically, the tokenization market cap is expected to reach $16.1 trillion in 2030. So this is going to be huge. Now, check this out. Diamonds, tokenized diamond NFT. Guys, this is a real tokenized diamond backed by real diamond and real value, and which you can get an access to without moving the real diamond from the vault. LCX NFT marketplace for tokenized diamonds and TIA token, the deflationary cryptocurrency. So you guys can see, you guys can trade diamonds in the LCX exchange in the future, or I think it's at this time in real time they're doing this, and in the future there are going to be new tokenized assets as well, which are regulatory compliant, that LCX is going to sponsor. It's going to launch LCX mobile. It has a mobile app as well. Buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies globally with LCX mobile. LCX ecosystem and partners, Coinbase, Hedera, Hashgraph, Polkadot, Chainlink. These are big names. Celo, Quant is huge. So Chainlink is huge, Polkadot is huge. So Hedera Hashgraph is one of the best altcoins. You've seen my video on it. I'm planning to make another video on HBAR soon enough. So I'm extremely bullish on HBAR as well. So you guys can see they've got great partners. By 2027, more than 8 trillion will be stored on blockchain networks. Diamond's historic launch. So you guys can see how much LCX is gaining ground in the crypto space and finance in general. In the finance industry in general, banking and finance, one of the world's best place for finance, market access, exchange license, possible registration and licensing for the token, tokenization, legal clarity for security token offerings. It's going to be providing security tokens as well. Holistic approach. The Liechtenstein blockchain laws go much further than the blockchain legislation of other countries. That means that the Liechtenstein laws are so tough that LCX complies with all of them and more. So being compliant with Liechtenstein laws that are much rigid, they're going to be having an easier time with other regulatory bodies in the EU and globally. Basically, security framework regulating custody, storage, issuance and management of crypto asset. It works as a custodian as well as a digital custodian. Mr. Adrian Hessler, Prime Minister of Liechtenstein, in conversation with Mr. Monty Metzger, CEO and founder of LCX. So you guys can see they are working with governments, with legal entities, institutions, tokenize everything, how LCX infrastructure will be the basis for the future of digital assets. So yeah, you guys can see that LCX is doing a lot. So now the question arises, why the FUD? Why is there FUD that LCX won't survive? LCX is a bad investment and whatnot. I've heard this in various social media handles, in Twitter and elsewhere. Basically, there are certain things that that the community members or the ones that are a bit skeptical in terms of investing in LCX complain. They say that the exchange is not user friendly. The exchange in itself is bad. It's not that good, and there is a lack of liquidity in the market at the moment. Furthermore, they say that there might be better platforms that would for tokenization as well. So to answer this question, let us check this monthly AMA recap of LCX and try to find these answers by the words of the CEO himself, Monty. He's going to try and convince us that why LCX would survive this war FUD and become a crypto giant. So let us begin. Community host, let's welcome Monty Metzger to this month's AMA. Monty Metzger, CEO. Welcome, LCX community. My name is Monty Metzger. I am CEO and founder of LCX. I am excited to be here today for this AMA session to answer any questions you might have about LCX, the future of tokenization, our crypto exchange, token sales, or anything else you'd like to discuss. So he's going to try and tackle the FUD regarding tokenization, the crypto exchange, token sales, or anything else. Great, this is yet another MA, and thrilled to have you here. Welcome, LCX community. Thanks for joining and inviting all of your friends. Are we ready? Let's get started. Welcome. It's exciting to see. Okay. Could you please give us an insight into the latest happenings around LCX? The community is eager to hear from you, and many are willing to interact with you. Today, I'm greeting you from Toronto, Canada. Okay, that's important to me. I have seen many complaints from the community as they feel we are not moving forward fast enough. So, this is a really good sign that he is aware of what the community is saying. This is one of the first things I'd like to highlight, which is a good sign that LCX will survive. But LCX is making large steps and has made tremendous progress in past few weeks and months. Let me put this into perspective. Interesting. Okay. So, first of all, LCX Exchange, the core of LCX, we have relaunched the whole front end and improved the back end, not only for the web experience but also for mobile. We're living in an era where digital fluidity is key, and we recognize that the experience of our users is key for us. So, they realize that many users are not happy with the way the exchange is working. So, they are evolving, they're constantly developing, they're constantly making changes, which is a good sign, be it small or big. That is not a concern. The concern is that the CEO has identified the problem and is working on it. Web and mobile relaunch. The recently relaunch was more than just a facelift. We focused on making our platforms not only faster but also incredibly user-centric. The navigation is now more intuitive and users can swiftly perform the functions they need, reducing the friction that can sometimes come with trading and digital assets management. Additionally, we've amplified the functional range of our platform without compromising the clean and sleek interface. Users now have access to an array of advanced tools and features at their fingertips. This is crucial for both seasoned traders looking for intricate tools and newcomers who want an easy entry point into the crypto world. Okay, awesome and good development. Bug mitigation, your feedback is crucial to us. We took a proactive approach to this. Not only have we eradicated known bugs, but we've also established a rapid response loop. Now, when a user reports an issue, our technical team is alerted immediately. We've streamlined this process to such an extent that most bugs are fixed within a mere 24-hour window, post-reporting for urgent matters and a few days for improvements. We collect all ideas and feature requests and discuss them in the weekly product meetings. This is a good sign. This speed is virtually unheard of in the industry, and it underscores our commitment to user satisfaction and platform stability. We noticed that many users complained here on Telegram and on Twitter, but when we ask them if they have visited the exchange recently, they say no. So basically, the ones that complain haven't even used the exchange in recent times, as per the CEO. The last time was months ago. Of course, you cannot judge or see any progress if you haven't tested it. I invite you all to visit exchange.lcx.com and start trading. Multi-level fee structure. We've introduced a multi-level fee structure empowering traders to significantly diminish their trading expenses as they send various trading volume tiers. The fees correspondingly recede. This approach not only avails high volume trading at a more economical rate for our users, but is also a step forward in addressing liquidity challenges, the ones that many skeptics have complained regarding the liquidity. More on this can be found here. The crypto players are in talks with LCX about a new market making program based on multi-level fee structure. Liquidity. This is another question. Liquidity, or rather the lack of it, remains one of the most pressing challenges in the crypto exchange landscape. At LCX, we've always been proactive in addressing industry challenges head on, and market making program is our latest initiative in that direction. This is the foundational pillar of our new program. By leveraging this fee structure, we offer traders and liquidity providers a compelling incentive. The premise is simple. The more trading volume you bring to the platform, the more you stand to benefit from reduced trading costs. As liquidity providers climb the trading volume tiers, their corresponding fees diminish. So the liquidity providers, if the higher the standing, the fees would diminish as per that threshold, allowing for increased profitability. This tiered approach not only rewards our most active market makers but also encourages deeper engagement with the platform. The outcome, a win-win for both LCX and the liquidity providers. So basically, they're working on ways to increase liquidity, increase volume in the exchange. So they're trying to, I think, develop, and they have identified the problems that the community, that the skeptics have identified. So this is really good. Inviting liquidity providers, while the reduced fees is a significant draw, we've also created an environment conducive to liquidity providers, fast execution, a state of the art order matchmaking system, and the recently relaunched an intuitive user interface ensure that market makers have the tools they need to perform efficiently. Addressing liquidity challenges. Additionally, by supporting a diverse range of tokens, including recent integrations like Polygon, we ensure the liquidity providers have ample opportunities to diversify and maximize their market making strategies. So they're introducing new coins and popular coins like Polygon and others to give ample and opportunities to the market makers, the liquidity providers, and the traders as well to diversify. Every exchange grapples with the issue of liquidity, and LCX is no different. However, what sets us apart is our innovative approach to solutions. The market making program, combined with our continuous tech upgrades and user centric initiatives, ensures that we're not just addressing the liquidity challenges, but actively turning them into an opportunity for growth and collaboration. So you guys can see the CEO himself is addressing these questions concerning the interface, concerning the user experience, the liquidity, and whatnot. So they're making headways in going to various programs as well, like Token 2049 in Singapore, where we are actively engaging with liquidity providers and market makers. So yes, so the question was, why do I think that LCX will survive this flood and go on to become a crypto giant? The answer is here the is simple and is basically the approach of the CEO. He has identified all the problems. He has not ran away from them. He's trying to develop constantly. LCX is trying to develop. It's trying to make its exchange better. It's trying to be innovative. It's trying to be creative. And most importantly, according to me, most importantly, LCX is regulated, it is audited, it is secured. So the foundational grounds are the most important going forward. The other trivial matters like upgrading and developing the exchange is going to happen over the time period, over the years. But the most important thing is to be regulatorily compliant, and being the one of the few exchanges, one of the few platforms that is government friendly, enterprise friendly, institutional friendly, because in the future this is what matters. When the foundations, the roots are solid, other things are going to be achieved slowly and steadily, gradually. We have to look at the long term vision of a coin, of a project. LCX is here to stay because they are basically doing the right things, they're taking the right moves in terms of the legal entities, the institutions, financial hubs, the companies, the enterprises, the governments. So other things will come. Liquidity will come. Exchange is going to get better over time. In my opinion, this is not financial advice. Anything can happen in crypto. But according to me, FUD or the complaints, the issues are going to be identified over time. As far as tokenization goes, other coins are also doing a lot of development in terms of tokenization, but LCX is giving all-in-one platform, the exchange, the trade of tokenized bonds and securities, even diamond, a tokenized diamond can be traded there. And it is in Liechtenstein. It has deep in roots in Europe. The European Union has a huge financial landscape that LCX can tap into. So basically, in my opinion, LCX is here for the long run. It will survive the FUD. It is the next generation crypto exchange. It is regulated. It is trusted. It is based on Liechtenstein. It has launchpad. It has tokenized bonds and assets and whatnot. And it is constantly developing. It is constantly giving us updates, LCX mobile update, and like small things like this. The CEO is identifying the issues. Monty is identifying the issues and he's trying to solve them. The LCX exchange is constantly evolving and progressing at a fast pace. As far as the price goes, guys, when the LCX rallied back to 0.10, everyone was saying this is the best thing ever and it's going to go and reach $5, $10. I remember I was there. But when it dipped, the FUD started to come back again and haunt LCX that no, this is bad, it's going to plummet a lot. But you can see in the long run, it has still given us so much profit in real time, and it has potential to reach new heights as well. So this was it for this video. If you think LCX would survive, comment. If you think it won't, comment as well and give your insights. And if you guys like the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these coins, we do regular videos, regular updates regarding them, basically and primarily the utility coins. So make sure to subscribe for regular videos. As I always say, until next time, stay tuned and stay blessed.